On each motorhome, there is a dedicated gas locker with space for 2 bottles, either 6 kg or 13 kg, depending on the model. It is recommended to carry 2 bottles, with one in use and a spare for when the first bottle runs out. 2 types of gas can be used: butane and propane. We recommend Cala propane bottles, which are red in colour and work better at low temperatures. Your motorhome is supplied with a wall-mounted gas regulator plumbed inside the gas cylinder compartment. The regulator and all appliances work at a harmonised 30 millibars pressure, appropriate for both butane and propane gas. To start, lift your gas bottle into position and secure with the holding ring and black strap. Propane, butane and camping gas cylinders all have varying cylinder adapter connections. It is important to check you have the correct hose and adapter to suit your gas cylinders. The high-pressure hoses have threaded connections and must be securely attached to the regulator and to the gas cylinder. Use a spanner to tighten the connections. Ensure that there is a constant rise in the flexible gas hose between the gas cylinder outlet and the regulator elbow. If your motorhome is equipped with an LPG en route heating system, it will come installed with additional safety features. Open the cylinder valve and firmly press the green hose rupture protection button on the high-pressure hose for about 5 seconds. If the yellow reset button is not pressed in, you need to reset the crash sensor. To reset, press the yellow reset button firmly. Turn it slightly clockwise. Hold it for 10 seconds and ensure that it stays in the ready for operation position. If the reset is not successful, use the Torx T20 screw aid provided to support the clockwise rotation. Normally, in the kitchen cupboard, wardrobe, or under a seat are separate gas shutoff valves for different appliances, and a white sticker explains which coloured valve controls which appliance. To open, turn the valve so it runs in line with the pipe. On the outside, there is a flue cover, which lets out the gases from the central heating and hot water. This is a permanent outlet and just needs to be regularly checked to make sure it is clear of any debris.